Hi guys, I am Sam'an and I will be your Arabic teacher. This will be our first lesson, so I hope you will enjoy it. So let's begin. Before we start, there are some rules to keep in mind when you study the Arabic language, which are rule number one. In Arabic, we write from right to left, as you see. Rule number two. In Arabic, all letters must be connected when you write it. So, if you write, for example, Sam like this in English, you can write it also like this. So in Arabic, we don't use never this way, okay? We use this way. But actually, we also don't have capital letter. So if you need to write your name, for example, don't look for capital letter in Arabic because there is no capital. You just start with small letters, normal way, okay? So it will be in Arabic something like this, okay? Rule number three. In Arabic, we have 28 letters. These letters, we will divide them in two groups. Group with 22 letters and group with the rest, 6 letters. Why? Because as we said, we write all the letters connected. So these letters, we divided them in two groups because these 22 letters can be connected from right and left. These 6 letters can be connected just from right and never from the left. So today we will start to learn how to write 5 letters of this group. And next lesson we will learn the others, these 6 letters. And then we will learn the others, okay? Okay guys, so our first letter will be this. And it's equal to B and P in English. It is ba in Arabic. Ba, ba. In books you will see it like this. If you need to write it by your hand, we say that we write from right to left. So you have to start from here and go ahead and a dot. Usually we write over a line. So I will make a line and I will write it for you here. Oh, it's very simple. Don't forget this dot. Okay. So this is ba. Ba. Okay. Now using this ba, we will learn how to connect letters because we just have one letter now. So we'll use it. We'll say that we have a word composed of 3 B. Okay. And I will just try to connect them. How we connect letters in Arabic is very simple. Look, you need this small line always when you write because as we said before, we always connect letters. Using this small line, we will name it the aid line. Okay? You use it like this. Exactly. But actually we don't write like this in Arabic because this way of writing takes too much time and too much space. And in the past times, space was very important because you know they used to write over the animals' leather or rocks or sheets of palms. So they needed actually to reduce the space. So they decided to write just half of this letter. Look, but sure you will move this point here. Okay. Again, the letter was like this. I will connect it. Then I will keep just the personality, the ID of the letter. I don't need the whole letter. It's exactly like your ID. Look at your ID, you will see just the photo of your face, not the whole body, okay? So we'll find the face of the letter. The face of the letter here is this part with the point under it. And the same for this letter. So I gained this space. Look, I can put them together now to form one word, small word. Look at the result. You will see it like this. Where's my headline? Here it is. So as you see, if I erase the headline, we'll find the beginning shape like this, and the medial shape exactly the same, and the final shape exactly the same of the B in the alphabet. So this is what makes the difference, the headline. So now we can make table like this. So as you see, my friends, the B in the beginning became like this. The B in the middle became exactly the same B of the beginning, but with our headline. The B in the end of the word still like the B in the alphabet. Why? Because it's the last letter. The last letter must be written entire always. You have to write always the entire letter, the whole letter. Just connected with the previous letter when this letter can be connected. So when you have before this letter one of these 22 letters, do you still remember? You can always connect the last letter with them, okay? But when you have one of that 6 letters, this B, for example, if I have this B before one of these letters, and I have to connect it, I will come with my headline to do like this, but this letters will reject this headline because they don't accept to connect. They don't accept to be connected with the next letter. So that's why in the table you will find 2 finals, okay? One final connected, one final isolated. So when you see it like this, it will be final connected. When you see it like this, it will be final isolated. Okay, my friends, let's see our table. So my friends, here's our table. As we said before, here we will write our first letter, Ba. In the beginning, it will be like this. In the middle, it will be the same of the beginning, but with a line. Final connected will be the same letter in the alphabet, but with the headline. Final isolated will be exactly the same the letter in the alphabet. Letter number 2 will be this. It's ta, equal على T, equal the T. in the English. As you see, this letter similar to this, so you can guess now how it gonna be in the beginning. Can you guess? Like this? Yes. I just cancel. I have to cancel half of the letter, but I will take my dots and will write in here, so it will give you this form. Okay, if I have a T in the middle, I will do the same T in the beginning, but I will use my head line, so it will give me this shape. The last T connected must be head and two dots in the middle. Last T will be like this. I will move away to let you see. So if we have a word composed of B plus B, two letters, the result will be ba in the beginning connected to. Now I will not use the red color. You know that I will make my red line. I can make it now in black. Okay, connected with final B, because it's the last letter, so it must be entire. Okay, dots must be actually like this. Okay, so if I have B plus B plus ta will give me in the beginning B, in the middle and final connected ta, which is like, if I have, for example, T plus B will give me, now you know how to write.